Today's episode, I'd like to introduce you to your new referral partner. Hi, this is Ralph Peterson of 7 Trillion SEO, and this is your AI search briefing. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a new referral partner. Now, before you start thinking about BNI groups and networking groups or that client who sends you business every year, I'm talking about something different. I'm talking about artificial intelligence. Think about it. Every day, people are asking ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Copilot, and Google AI search for recommendations. Who is the best realtor in my area? Who is the best carpet cleaner near me? Who is the best drain cleaning company? In many cases, AI is becoming the first place people go for answers. And just like a traditional referral partner, AI can only recommend businesses it understands. If your website clearly explains who you help, what you do, and why customers should choose you, AI has a much better chance of recommending your business. But if your website is confusing, outdated, or missing important information, AI may struggle to understand your business at all. So here's today's takeaway. The businesses AI understands are the businesses AI can recommend. But why do some businesses seem to attract AI attention while others remain invisible? We'll talk more about that tomorrow. I'm Ralph Peterson of 7 Trillion SEO. Think big, be trusted, be recommended.